Preston on the piano. Ewan on the bass. And Kim